Life in Weston offers a beautiful blend of suburban tranquility, family-friendly living, and modern convenience. But even in such a well-planned community, external noise can sometimes disturb that sense of peace. Whether it's traffic from nearby roads, construction sounds, or neighborhood activity, unwanted noise can disrupt relaxation and impact your overall comfort at home. Fortunately, noise-reducing windows provide a stylish and effective solution. Designed with advanced acoustic technology, these modern window systems help homeowners enjoy the serenity of their living spaces without sacrificing natural light, energy efficiency, or curb appeal. Here's how upgrading to noise-reducing windows can make your Weston home quieter and more comfortable. Understanding how noise enters your home. Noise pollution often finds its way indoors through the weakest points in your home's structure, primarily your windows. Older single-pane or poorly sealed windows do little to block exterior sounds, allowing vibrations and air leaks to carry noise straight into your living areas. In contrast, modern noise-reducing windows are engineered to combat this issue. They use advanced materials and layered construction to dampen sound waves and minimize vibration, keeping outside noise where it belongs, outside. The science behind noise-reducing windows. Noise-reducing, or acoustic windows, rely on several key technologies to reduce unwanted sound transmission. Double or triple pane glass. Multiple glass layers with air or gas fills between them act as barriers, breaking up and slowing sound waves. Laminated glass. A special sound dampening layer, often made of polyvinyl butyryl, or PVB, is placed between glass panes to absorb vibrations. Insulated frames. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite materials seal more tightly than traditional wood or aluminum frames, reducing gaps that allow noise to enter. Precision installation. Professional fitting ensures no small openings or weak spots, maximizing the window's sound-blocking performance. The result is a significant reduction in outside noise levels, often cutting unwanted sounds by 30 to 50%, depending on the window type and surrounding environment. Creating a quieter, more relaxing home. In Weston's busy neighborhoods, where outdoor activity and community events are part of everyday life, noise-reducing windows help you maintain peace inside your home. Imagine enjoying dinner without hearing passing cars or hosting a movie night without outside distractions. Bedrooms become more restful, home offices stay focused, and living spaces feel calm and serene. By blocking out external noise, these windows also promote better sleep quality and improved well-being, especially for families, young children, and anyone working from home. Enhancing energy efficiency and comfort beyond their acoustic benefits, noise-reducing windows also improve your home's energy efficiency. Most models feature low emissivity coatings, argon gas insulation, and multi-pane construction, helping regulate indoor temperatures year-round. In Weston's climate, this means your home stays cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter, all while reducing your energy bills. The same airtight seals that block noise also prevent drafts, humidity, and heat loss, ensuring greater comfort in every room. Maintaining style without compromise. Noise-reducing windows don't just perform well, they look great, too. Available in a variety of styles, from sleek casement and picture windows to double-hung and sliding designs, these windows enhance your home's architectural appeal. You can choose from a range of finishes, frame colors, and glass options to match your home's design while enjoying the benefits of a quieter interior. Whether your Weston home features modern lines or classic charm, there's a sound-reducing window solution to complement it perfectly. The importance of professional installation to achieve the best results. Professional installation is crucial. Even the most advanced windows can underperform if not properly fitted or sealed. Local Weston installers understand the area's building standards and environmental conditions, ensuring a tight, secure installation that maximizes both noise reduction and energy efficiency. Professionals also help homeowners choose the right sound transmission class, STC, rating for their specific needs, ensuring your investment delivers the quiet and comfort you expect. A smart investment in comfort and value. Installing noise-reducing windows is not only about comfort, it's a long-term investment in your home's value and livability. In addition to reducing noise and energy costs, these windows offer improved security and durability, standing up to Weston's seasonal weather and daily wear. Potential buyers also view soundproofed, energy-efficient homes as highly desirable, which can enhance resale appeal if you ever decide to move. Final thoughts: in a vibrant community like Weston, where convenience meets suburban charm, peace and quiet should still be part of your everyday life. Noise-reducing windows offer a beautiful, practical way to restore tranquility to your home while improving energy efficiency, comfort, and style. By partnering with experienced local professionals, you can enjoy a quieter, more restful living environment that truly reflects the quality and serenity of life in Weston.